I'm Kristen.
And I'm Megan, and today we have the Toothpick Star Trick Experiment.
This is a fun science experiment that teaches students when you move or break properties and add other materials to it, it changes its physicality.
Teachers, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video to see exactly how we've linked this to a Kara.
The things you'll need for this experiment are
First thing you need to do is grab your plate. We've decided we're going to use a plastic plate. It's a little bit safer than using glass.
You'll also need some toothpicks. You'll need about 5 to make enough to form the shape of a star.
You want to grab your toothpick and you want to break in half, but you don't want to break it all the way.
So just snap it a little bit in the center, but not into 2 separate pieces.
Just enough so it looks like this.
When you're snapping your toothpicks, you're going to be putting them into your plastic plate to form the shape of a star, as we said earlier. Now with your water and straw, you're going to be putting your straw into your bowl of water and then placing your thumb on top of the straw to create a vacuum which seals up the water inside of the straw.
So once you've got your water in your straw, it's time to put it in the middle of our star. But you don't want to put it all in at once, just go as slow as you can.
Because of the height of the toothpicks, the water isn't flowing over the top. It's just pushing the toothpicks out to create a star.
So Megan, what's the science behind this toothpick experiment?
Well, because the toothpicks are made of wood, when water is added, the wood absorbs the water, making the wood expand, pushing on the other toothpicks, and that's what creates our star.
How interesting! Thank you for watching our toothpick star experiment. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up to date with all our new videos.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bright Minds Teaching. Until next time, see you soon, Bright Minds!